how to apply $50 off in Shopify. So first go to your Shopify dashboard here, then click on the discounts here at the left side. Next is just click on add discount and then click on amount of products. Okay, now you can choose here whether they use a discount code or just all your products are automatically discounted. So for example, just type in your title of your discount here. So discount, so let's just say discount right now is the title. So and then as for the discount value, so since we want a $50 discount, let's choose fixed amount and then just type in 50 here. Don't mind the peso here, just imagine it as a dollar. Okay, then after that choose which products this applies to. For example, if you want to apply it to collections or specific products, so for example, let's choose specific products, then let's browse our products. Let's just choose this one, then add it. So now this is discounted. Okay, so if you want to apply discount once per order, you can check this. If you want, you can uncheck it. Of course, just configure all of this, customize it for availability, minimum purchases requirements, and then combinations, and you can also set an active date for this discount and also set an end date. So it's up to you. So after customizing all of this, just click on save. Now let's see. Now you have a discount here. So whenever someone tries to check out their order on your store, they'll see that it is $50 off. Okay, so that's it. If you found this video useful, please like and subscribe for more videos like this. See you in the next one.